Okay, class. Our lesson for today is all about vowel and their sounds. We have 5 vowel and these are a, I, o. So now, these are all the 5 vowels that what I have said. A, I, o. So now, we have our words that composed by our 5 vowels. And these are rat, rat, ate, ate, rate, rate, karate, karate, let, ilite, out, out, about, about, low, on. If we add s, slow. If we add d, down. So, slow down, slow down. And this word is a common in highway. When we cross in Scholjune, so it means we stop or we minor because there are Scholjune. Why we need to slow down? Because Scholjune. So class, these are all about for today and I hope you learned a lot from me. Thank you. And that's all about for today and I hope you learned a lot from me. I love you all class. Thank you.